How many setups are really being offered in a day? Let's say 5. Now do the math. Even if you only took half of those, or even a quarter of them, it becomes real easy to see that it's only a matter of time before that thing you call a job stops being a prison. Because it is a prison. You've got your faith chained to somebody else's generosity. They're so generous they let you work 40 hours, sometimes more, just so you can get a paycheck that Uncle Sam touches before you even see it. And then you look around and realize everything costs more. Now here's the truth. When you learn this skill set, it removes fear. It removes FOMO. It removes the anxiety of failing. And it removes the fear of inflation. Not because you get rich. I'm not promising that. I'm not here to sell you a dream. But I am promising you a skill set that gives you opportunity, real opportunity, limitless potential. And the only limit is your imagination and the work you're willing to put in. Think about this. Who's influencing you? Who's discouraging you? Who's distracting you? Are you seeing results? Does this feel real? Do you feel scammed, or do you feel energized? Because the environment you're in matters. You should be in a place where people uplift each other, where people push you forward, where there's no angle, no pitch, no trap. Just learning, just growth, just truth. That freedom alone changes how you move. You stop being controlled by fear. You stop chasing trades out of greed. You start thinking independently. That's when you've graduated. That's when you've separated yourself from the majority of people you'll ever see on social media. And you're not there yet, and that's okay. You're not meant to skip the process. You gotta walk through it. I'm not hiding anything from you. I'm not making it complicated. You learn it. You apply it. You repeat it. Some days you'll win. Some days you won't. When you lose, you stop. You don't chase. You don't spiral. You don't try to get it back. Because tomorrow is always there. And sometimes what looked like a loss today comes back tomorrow, sometimes even better. That's when you realize a losing trade isn't failure. It's a flat tire. It slows you down, costs you a little time, costs a little money. But it doesn't stop the journey. Just a delay, just a detour, and you keep moving.